Hi, this is Radhika Kundalia. I've known Chitra and Beena for the last 20 years, maybe from before 2000, when they first started the library for Forum for Autism in Colaba. I remember when there were just a few sets of parents who got together to help themselves, but now they're helping hundreds of others and they're doing a good job. I wish them all the best for the future.
Hi, this is Kaushik Panchal here, founder member of Renas Academy. I'm so pleased to be associated with Forum for Autism since last 3 years in organizing Autism Awareness Run in first week of April. We have successfully organized it in the western suburbs of Mumbai in Borivali and Kandivali, and through them we have been interacting with autistic kids and their parents, and it's so good to see that we are able to generate an awareness amongst the general public. Forum for Autism is doing a great job. I wish them all the best and do continue the same. Thank you.
Hi, this is Balan from Mumbai. On the occasion of the 20th anniversary, I congratulate the Forum for Autism for their efforts and achievements in spreading awareness, early detection and helping the children in rehabilitation. I have seen the efforts of those who manage the Forum for Autism to make the daily lives of the persons with autism comfortable to the best possible extent. My prayers to God to bless the affected children and their parents and caretakers to give them strength to achieve all their goals in their lives. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Meena Shriram from Bombay. I congratulate all the families and the team members of Forum for Autism on their 20th anniversary. I have been associated with Forum for the last 13 years and have participated in the yearly Mumbai Marathon, which aims at spreading awareness about autism. I have met so many parents whose kids have autism, and I'm extremely impressed with the dedication in helping each child with autism with their learning and overall development. Seriously, hats off to their commitment. I have also interacted very closely with the trustee of Forum for Autism, and I'm amazed at their endeavors in helping each child lead a better quality life. God bless Forum in all their endeavors in spreading awareness about autism, as this will help a lot of parents understand disorder better, helping them seek early guidance, which in turn will help the child lead a better quality life. And every year, I will do my bit to help the Forum and support the Forum in whichever way possible. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार. फोरम फॉर ऑटिझमला 20 वर्ष पूर्ण झाल्याबद्दल अनेक शुभेच्छा. ऑटिस्टिक मुलं ही तुमच्या आमच्यासारखीच या समाजाचा एक भाग आहेत. ती अगदी मनसोक्तपणे आयुष्य जगत असतात, पण त्यांच्या पालकांचं तसं नसतं. त्यांना काळजी लागलेली असते की आपली मुलं, त्यांचं पुढे काय होईल, आपल्यानंतर त्यांचं काय होईल. अशा अनेक मुलांना, त्यांच्या पालकांना, त्यांच्या परिवाराला फोरम फॉर ऑटिझम हे गेले 20 वर्ष खंबीरपणे त्यांच्या मागे उभं आहे, त्यांना मदत करत आहे. मी अतिशय जवळून त्यांचं कार्य बघितलेलं आहे आणि त्यांच्या अथक परिश्रमांना ॲब्सोल्युटली तोड नाहीये. I wish them all the best. Continue your good work. Take care. Thank you.
Hi, this is Milincha. I want to talk about Forum for Autism. I know Forum for Autism since last 12 to 14 years through some of my friends who have been associated with it. Over the years, I have seen Forum has been doing the fantastic job of awareness at the very first place. Forum is not just helping children in understanding their problem, but also helping parents in many ways. I know many parents are not able to afford the expenses of managing the child. They have been supported by Forum for Autism. I have also seen Forum engaged in many activities like marathon, picnic for such parents and children, collecting money for such children, etc. I wish good luck to the Forum for Autism and hope you would keep doing such fantastic job even in future. Thank you.